Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I tell you what, we're indoors tonight. I'm doing some chicken wings, frozen chicken wings to be exact. And I wanted to do them outside, but I'll be honest with you, it's like 15 degrees out there. I ain't doing it. So we're indoors. I'm cooking on the Chefman indoor grill, and I'm just gonna season this up with something I got here at the house. I ain't picked one out yet, but we'll see here in just a minute. So guys, let me show you what we're doing. Alright, we're going to carefully get this thing going. I'm going to add it with some water. Always put water in your indoor grill there. That's what helps make it smokeless. It's smokeless. Not smokeless, smokeless. Add a little bit more. Get our grate on. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Try to get her to about a medium high. I have an older one, so it doesn't really give me an exact, but we'll adjust it if we need to. Alright guys, I got about 3 pounds of frozen wings here, and they're partially still frozen. But they say you can cook them from frozen. Let's find out. But I decided on just some Montreal chicken. I got this here at the house. I got a backup bottle if this is not enough. But let's just coat all these and get them on the grill and see what's happening from there. Let's just do it this way. Coat each one. Alright guys, I did have to resort to a backup bottle, so I figured I would. That's why I had a backup bottle. Let's finish these up and get them on the grill over here. Alright guys, this is not rocket science here. We're just going to get them on and let them go. Hopefully they all fit on here. We're gonna do this. Perfect. We ain't gonna do nothing, guys. We're just gonna cook them, flip them as needed, get them up to about 185 degrees. Come on in here and start giving these guys a little bit of a turn. That's all we're doing. Ready to go down here. All these flats are done. 185 is my magic number. I got a couple down here that are not quite ready. I'm gonna let them cook, but I gotta get my family fed here. So I'm gonna let them eat while I finish off these drums. Yeah. We'll come back when we're ready to taste this. Almost. I gotta come in here with our fine china here. Get us some wings on this plate. Nothing fancy tonight, boys and girls. We'll start out right there. One more. A little side of chips. I'm just going to hit a few dashes of this Cholula original hot sauce. Not a whole lot. I'm growing to really love this stuff. That's all we're going to do there. guys. Hit it. Looks tasty for an indoor grill. You've seen me grill on my Chefman grill before, but we'll see how this one tastes. I love that Cholula in there. I made the difference on this one. That, to me, is very tasty. A little ranch. You know, my go-to is always a ranch dressing for a dipping sauce. For not being able to get outside, I could have went outside, but 15 degrees out there, probably a little bit lower than that now. This is perfect. I had no desire. Guys, thank you as always for joining me. Officially, this is my first video. Excuse me. The Cholula's kicking in a little bit. This is officially my first video of 2024. Took a short break. Those who are watched week to week, you let me know that you hadn't seen me. Thank you for that. So guys, we've got more coming up as we get into the new year. Gonna have some more indoor cooks. I'll get outside as I can. Got plenty to come for 2024, and we're looking forward to a great year. Thank you as always. Until next time, guys, God bless you. Bye-bye.